Google Chrome is fast, but over time, it can start to feel slow, especially if you have many tabs open or use multiple extensions. The good news is, there are simple settings and tweaks you can apply to make Chrome faster and smoother in 2025. First, enable hardware acceleration. Go to Settings, System, and turn on Use Hardware Acceleration when available. This allows Chrome to use your computer's GPU for graphics-heavy tasks, which speeds up web apps, videos, and animations. Next, use the Continue Running Background Apps setting wisely. Chrome can run extensions and apps in the background even when the browser is closed. While this is convenient for notifications, it can slow down your computer. Turn this off in Settings, System, if you don't need it. Another tip is to limit extensions. Each extension adds extra load, which can reduce Chrome's speed. Go to More Tools, Extensions, and remove or disable anything you don't use regularly. Fewer extensions mean faster browsing. Clear cache and browsing data regularly. Over time, Chrome stores a lot of temporary files that can slow performance. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, clear browsing data, and remove cached images, files, and cookies periodically. You can also enable tab freezing for inactive tabs. Go to Chrome, /flags, and enable automatic tab discarding. Chrome will temporarily suspend unused tabs, freeing up memory and making your active tabs run faster. Finally, make sure Chrome is always updated. New updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Check Settings, About Chrome to ensure you're using the latest version. By applying these simple settings, Chrome can feel faster, more responsive, and much easier to use, especially when multitasking. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more easy tech guides.